Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install charger rear louvers, part number VZ101764. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start by sanding down the whole edge. Then you clean the whole surface with some alcohol. After you're done doing that, you'll be ready to apply the 3M tape. We do recommend buying some VHB 3M tape. You'll just apply the 3M tape all around the edge. Then you want to make sure you apply some pressure for your 3M tape. You just want to make sure the 3M tape is good in good contact with the louver. Should be ready to go. So now you just got to make sure that you clean your rear window with some alcohol. So now we're just gonna go ahead and take off the 3M protector. Oh, you gotta put pressure so that you make sure the 3M makes good contact. Just give it a good tug to make sure that, you know, they're good. Let it cure overnight before, you know, you start driving like 200 miles per hour. So that's a wrap. We successfully installed the rear louvers on the charger. Again, part number VZ101764. We'll leave the link below. You guys who have any questions, concerns, you guys can leave a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let us know what you think.